YouTube? It is lorShift back at it again with another banger video, man. And as y'all can see by the title and thumbnail, today we are finally dropping a POV drive in a big 2019 Dodge Challenger Scatpack 392, man. A lot of y'all been asking for the POVs. I know I've been slacking on YouTube. I just got my tonsils taken out, so I'm kind of fighting it right now. I'm not gonna lie. Don't mind my voice, but I won't be doing too much talking in this video. Pretty much this video is gonna be me cutting up through traffic. Yeah, showing y'all how that Scat, how that big 392 driving. So we will be in track mode. Obviously, we can't be in auto for the first POV drive, man. We gotta be in track. We are on our way to a certain location. So I'm gonna get to that certain location in 6 minutes or probably 5 minutes, and then pick up the camera once I leave that location. So stay tuned to the end of the video, man. Make sure y'all smash that like button, comment, and subscribe, because this will be a banger POV drive. And this is the first one. So y'all got to turn me up. Let's open the sunroof real quick. If y'all don't already know, man, we got rid of the big Tanny Mobile RT. Grabbed us a 392 Scat Chally. So we will be making content on the Chally now. So yeah, it's gonna be tough, man. Gonna be tough. Big things, man. Let's get it. Damn, bro, she's screaming right now. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna try not to do too much talking, man, because obviously, like I said, I just got my tonsils taken out. So it kind of hurt to talk right now. And I know my voice is probably hurting y'all ears right now. So just enjoy this little POV. Tanny Mobile. That shit look like my baby. I don't know if y'all really know about the Scatty like that, but compared to the 5.7, bro, obviously y'all can tell this shit shift way better. I'll turn right here. Thought this was a one-way, but it's not. Give y'all a quick pull. Once we get to this destination in about 2 minutes, probably drop the camera, like I said, pick up the camera again, hit the highway for a little bit, because I am trying to get some rest. My voice is really bad right now. I'm going through it. Surgery killed me, so I feel a little nauseous and stuff. But y'all know I still gotta drop a video for my fans, man, for my subscribers, for my loyal supporters, man. So we're not gonna let y'all down, but still make sure I get content out there for y'all. And Make sure I turn y'all up every time, man. Even if we going through it. Turn traction on real quick. First and second gear, even in third sometimes, bro, this shit spin. So I can't really do as many pulls as I could in the RT. But I mean, still don't get the best out of it though. See, I just spun right there. Shit crazy, bro. Oh, I was supposed to make it right. Can't even make it right there. What the hell? Oh, no, I wasn't. I'm tripping the street. I'm tripping out. Your boy got to run a Home Depot real quick, man, and grab us some tools. Don't want to get in a chase with the Scatty, man. They don't want to do that. The RT, they might have had me with the RT, bro. With the Scatty, it's over. Little bender is gone. But I don't run from cops, man. I don't do that. I promise you, I don't do that. Get around this dude. Y'all one more pull, then drop the camera, pick it back up in a few minutes. Shit crazy, bruh. I feel like I'm floating in this shit. Let me know what kind of videos y'all want to see though with the big 392, man. We got the Scat now, so if you're looking to get a Scat over RT, let me know what kind of videos y'all want to see, and I'm gonna make sure I get that out there for y'all. Informational videos, POVs, etc. But I'm gonna pick up the camera in a few minutes. I'm gonna sit here and park, grab what I gotta grab from Home Depot real quick. Yeah, we gonna hop on the highway after that. So stay tuned, y'all, cause we ain't done yet. All right, y'all, we back, man. We back. We had to grab some IHOP though. I ain't gonna cap. But we getting ready to hit the highway. Yeah, I think it's this way. Yeah, but you know your boy had to go to Home Depot and grab some IHOP. Feel me? Type shit. I think I'm going the wrong way. No, I'm not. I'm going the right way. Cool. But we got a little 9-minute drive to another location. So I'm gonna try hurry up and try not to get hit by this Nissan Altima. Oh my god, this shit moved, bruh. I'm busting a U-turn right here. God. Getting ready to hit the highway though. I don't know what that clicking noise is, bro. I keep hearing the clicking noise like by my axle. My GPS frozen and shit. Scat got the GPS frozen. We're not even in track mode no more. I'm tripping out. Hold on, y'all. I gotta go in track real quick. If I was all-wheel drive, bro, I'd give y'all a little launch right now, but sadly I can't. Why is it whining, bro? What the hell? What you gonna do, bro? Watch out. Watch out, gang. Watch out, gang. What you trying to do, gang? Watch out. Big 392 coming through. Big 392 coming through, man. Oh my God. Cop. This might be a cop in front of me. Nah, no, it's not. Be good. Oh my God. Oh my God. We got a little bit of highway action, man. We gonna get some city action now, though. No problem.
I love this car.
Appreciate you, man. OG, man. Shout out to OG. Shout out to OG, man. He said he loved it. He said he loved it. War Bender fucking the streets up, man. Lord Bender fucking the streets up, man. I need a city POV drive. I go cap, bro. That shit just turned me up. Y'all gotta stay tuned, man, for this next video that's getting ready to drop. Shit gonna be crazy. Shit gonna be crazy, bro. Fuck, bro. I hate when niggas do this shit. Damn, don't hit my shit. Bro, the shit thing sounds crazy. Bro, alright, yo, we gonna end this POV drive here, man, because I'm trying to get home. I'm feeling nauseous, man. Wish me luck on getting better anytime soon, man. But it's your boy lorShift, the one and only Lord Bender, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Make sure y'all give me any video suggestions y'all think I should make, and yeah, I'm gonna catch you in the next video. One more pull, yo, one more pull. All right, y'all, we out. Boom.